Horace, no, that won't go in your cheek. Come here, no.
Leave Horace alone.
Pass me the broccoli.
Oh, whoa! But that wasn't on the sides of his mouth. That thing was back there. Alright, what's good, y'all? Today we're gonna be checking out some of the funniest animal videos the internet has to offer. Let's get it.
These are the funniest animal videos ever.
Oh, this is a Daily Dose video. You know it's gonna be a banger.
Hold it. Mr. Krabs.
No way.
Put him right here.
He looks so cute. Oh my god.
How the hell can a crab make his eyes separate? Like what? A crab as a pet? Real look, okay. Fish, crabs, like anything aquatic doesn't make a good pet at all. You can't even pet it. Okay, you could actually pet the crab. I can imagine like going like that on its little crab forehead and its eyes parting both ways. Ugh.
Why are you still here?
Okay.
Go away.
The pigeon just walked off the windowsill. Look, I'm starting to believe more and more the theory that pigeons aren't actually real birds. They're like government cameras or some shit. Because it's like the only bird that's just there. Like it's not bothered by humans, cars, noises, nothing. Pigeons just be pigeoning. You don't even see them fly like that. They're normally just chilling on some shit. The next time you see a pigeon, like look at it. Like actually fucking stare at it. Just something ain't right.
Why are you still here? Go away.
Oh, that's not a pigeon. That's like a seagull or some shit. My bad.
Wilson just coughed and farted.
That sounded like a human fart. Look, farts will never not be funny, but when an animal does it, even better. I mean, think about it. You don't hear animals fart like that. And when you do, you'd be like, really? That was you?
I need an egg.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yo, low key, people that are able to just go in their backyard and get eggs because they have chickens are fucking geniuses. Something could happen tomorrow, no money. Guess what? The people with the chickens in their backyard is still eating. That was good. Really? What is that? Is that just like a little chicklet or something? Also, I'm pretty sure that's like a college dorm room. No pets allowed, most likely. And the fact that y'all got like a fucking baby chicken in there. Just having fun. Look at his head. Look.
These people were lost and stopped to ask for directions.
Buenas tardes, perdona, para Bolonia? Vaya, venga, gracias.
Qué bueno, tío.
The cow really gave them directions. It gave them a little head nod, like, yo, this way. Like, it knew what they were saying. That cow was really listening. It was like, huh, what'd you saying? Like, oh, it's back that way. Buddy loves Vienna sausages. Is that a piranha? Cause what fish is eating a Vienna sausage? Now, I'm pretty sure fish eat other fish. It's confusing. Some fish eat fish. Some fish eat fucking Vienna sausages. Some of them just eat algae and shit. We really have no idea what goes down in the ocean. Scientists just be saying shit. Yo, he inhaled it. He didn't even chew that shit up. He does look happy. Oh, look at the hamster.
Oh my god.
Give me my blanket back.
Car, maybe there's something dead on it.
Oh, no! Yo, llamas, alpacas, whatever the fuck they are some of the most disrespectful animals on the planet. They really be waiting to spit in your face. Not only that, they be blowing air in your face. And yo, they just be messing with people. Yo, if a llama spits in my face, I might have to square up. I've never seen a llama fight. I don't even think that they can get down like that. I really think that I could take a llama, but also I'm just gonna spit in its face right back. Like, how do you like that? That's what you gotta do with animals. You gotta give them a taste of their own medicine.
This sheep was stuck in a trench and got rescued.
Молодец, ребята. Умничка.
Ah. Sheep make the ba sound, right? That's definitely the sheep that makes the ba noises. I was thinking of a lamb.
Молодец, ребята. Умничка. Умничка. Все, операция удалась.
You got stuck again.
Thank you for being so patient.
Oh, damn it. He gonna spit in your face, cuz. Do not roll that window down.
So patient.
Oh, the other one.
Okay.
Watch. Boom. I knew it. Yo, fuck llamas. Nobody can tell me otherwise. They are some of the biggest assholes in the animal kingdom. That one was aggressive. He was really like, pfft. Like, that's exactly what it was. He was like, yeah, I spit on you. What you gonna do about it? He didn't even care about the food. Not hungry at all. He said, the minute you roll that window down, I'm gonna get your ass.
Thank you for being so patient.
Watch. He building it up right
Oh,
now.
the other one.
Okay, now.
Knew what he was doing. Birds are kind of cool, can't lie.
This poor little hedgehog deflated.
Oh, what? How did it even do that? Literally, it looks like a deflated basketball. Is that some kind of like defense mechanism or something? Because that's just like weird. Like that would freak me out if that was my pet.
These girls found a squirrel on the side of the road that they thought could use some help.
Oh, it's not dead?
Oh my god.
I thought y'all were just filming a dead squirrel, but anyways. It's alive! Yo, could you imagine a squirrel getting loose in your car? Good luck catching that thing. Yo, animals can move like so fast and like so, it's crazy when you really think about it. Like I said, if that thing gets in the car and is running around all up on the windows, hitting you, like you're not gonna be able to grab it. What are you gonna do? Grab it and throw it on the ground? I think not. I mean, squirrels are cool. They're kind of cute the way they sit there and munch on little stuff and the way they look around and do squirrel shit, but they're fast as fuck and they got claws. So like I said, if that thing's trapped in a car with you and gets to having the zoomies, yeah, you're not doing anything.
This person tried picking up a frog.
1, 2.
Why?
You did not.
Oh, what kind of frog was that? Liquid was leaking out of it. Was that frog piss? I might have just witnessed a frog piss for the first time. Isn't frog piss how you get warts and shit? What happened to warts? Like, I don't see kids with warts on their hands anymore. Are kids not out picking up frogs and bringing back turtles to the house? Like, look, mommy, I found a pet. God, y'all suck now. Go outside and have a childhood. But anyways. That was a squirrel. Did you see it? A squirrel was in her house and you saw it all up on her back and shit. How are humans at the top of the food chain? Yeah, we're smart, but we're scared of everything. You gotta think about it. We're technically the alphas on the planet, right? But if a squirrel runs up on me, I'm running. We really bitches though. Like if it wasn't for guns, like animals would still run shit. Come on now.
Go, Saskia.
Ugh. That was a grown man burp. What? Anyways. Oh, that's cool. To have a pet parakeet bird, I don't even know if that's a parakeet, whatever kind of bird it is that can talk back to you and sing and shit, to train it to sing Don't Worry, Be Happy, kind of fire. Except for on the days where you're not happy, you walk into the house and yo, shut the fuck up! That's fire though, come on.
Hey, you almost done?
What the hell? I've seen like miniature ponies before, but I've never seen like the wiener dog version of a horse. This is like a wiener dog pony. And another thing, I've never seen a little person ride a tiny horse. I just thought about that. But anyways.
It's Horace. Horace, no, that won't go in your cheek. Come here, no.
Leave Horace alone.
Pass me the broccoli.
Oh, whoa! I know hamsters and gerbils and whatnot like to store like nuts in their mouth and shit for the winter, hibernate, all that stuff. They gotta make sure the pantry is stocked. But that wasn't on the sides of his mouth. That thing was back there. Oh, they scrapping. This is one of my favorite animals too. Love kangaroos. Oh shit. Wait a minute, did he fall down? Was there more down there? Because you heard the initial bang, and then you heard another bang. I'm assuming him and that piece of metal like fell off a ledge or something. Did I just watch a kangaroo unalive another kangaroo push it off a damn cliff? Look at him. Bitch, yeah. Got you. What's up, homie? What's up, homie? Look. Now, the way that kangaroo was just standing there looking afterwards, animals really don't be traumatized by death. They just be like, oh, damn, that sucks. Terry died. Well, let me go back to eating now. It's really just something that happens in everyday life for them. Animals die out here every day, B.
This streamer was trying to sneak up on this deer without scaring it.
Go sneak up on you. I knew it.
A zoo installed a new security camera, and it scared the snow leopard.
Boy, what the hell is that? Oh! Nah! Well, that explains my answer from earlier, but that one was in the cheek. We actually saw its cheek, you know, expand. Horace just had that, like I said, that thing was back there. Like, how many nuts, acorns, whatever they eat, how many do you think they could actually fit in there before it reaches capacity? Here. They really stopped. Damn.
Rude.
So this is really interesting, and I have no explanation for why, but this frog refuses to jump outside of this circle.
That is weird. That's gotta be some like psychosomatic shit. I don't know if I used the right term. I heard that shit on TV once, but I'm pretty sure it's gotta be something like with his perception. Like, that's just a piece of chalk to us. Maybe the circle is something different to the frog. I don't know how frogs view life. Frogs really be chilling though. You kind of only see them at night every now and then. It's mostly when you're like at night walking back to the crib or somewhere by yourself and you just look over and just see the fucking frog just You got smacked with an ear. Morning walks with the gang. Who is gang? Okay.
Oh my god. Nah, that's the maddest, bro. Bro? That's
Bro?
sick.
What's going on?
Put it on, bro.
He's not gonna put it on.
Okay.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
He's not gonna.
I really thought that this orangutan was about to strip this man down. Like, no, run that. I need all that. Yo, imagine having your pockets ran by a orangutan. I mean, what are you gonna do? Fight it? I know that orangutans look like dumb and derpy, like they're kind of just like, they're actually strong as fuck. All monkeys are strong as fuck.
Gonna put it on, bro.
He's not gonna put it on.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
Orangutan in a tracksuit. Oh, he got it.
Nah.
Come on, guys.
That was good. That might be my first time seeing a chicken run, like at full speed. Like, I've seen chickens waddle and make their little movements or whatever, but these guys were like they was really hauling ass.
Come on, guys.
Watch them. There's some fast ass chickens, bruh. What? Oh, hell no. I do not fuck with ostriches at all. Those things are mean. Like, an ostrich could really fuck you up if it wants to. Its claws, like if an ostrich kicks you, oh no. Not only that, the peck. I'm more scared of the peck than I am the fucking talons that it has. Look at the neck on that thing. It's got the reach. It's definitely got more reach than my arm. And then also, it's like I said, it can bob and weave. Yo, you're not gonna punch an ostrich in the head cleanly. I do want to try an ostrich egg though, because I like eggs and that is like the biggest egg of them all. But no one can ever get me to allow an ostrich that close to me whatsoever. What is that? Is that what kind of animal is that? I can't even see. Is it like a parakeet? Is it another bird? Is it a fucking monkey? What's in the cage, cuh? Oh, okay.
For some reason, this horse doesn't like talking to men.
No boys, right?
He knows what's up.
Especially not this one.
Every time. Yo, fuck llamas. Yo, I'm not playing. I despise llamas with a passion. I've never had beef with an animal in my life, but llamas, hey, I don't trust y'all at all. I'm watching you. You ain't spitting over here. Look at the disrespect. Ugh. Somebody's alarm clock is broken. Bro, what? This is a strong neck ass rooster. How are you still doing this? This one is definitely defective. I literally watched a rooster pass out from cock-a-doodle doing too much.
He made a fire to warm up his horses that were in the field.
For the horses here. And,
Please tell me they're A-okay and the horses aren't dumb and they're not gonna like... Are they eating the fire? I mean, this is funny animal videos and there's horses next to fire. I don't know.
And, this one might have got a little close.
Bro, what? It's got the Farquaad cut. Why does this horse look like Simple Jack from Tropic Thunder? If you know, you know. Nah, my man's is fucked. You did my guy dirty, bruh.
These two little guys were spotted doing push-ups at the gym.
They're really... I'm watching lizards do pull-ups. What is the internet? Push-ups. I'm sorry. I'm just so baffled by this. They're literally doing push-ups. What?
This gorilla was upset that their stick got stuck.
Oh no!
Yeah, people can't tell me that we're not related to them somehow. I'm not saying, oh, you know, we came directly from them. Come on, hand on the hip. Hand on the hip. Who else is doing that? I mean, it did the most human shit ever. Watch.
Oh no!
Bruh. Oh, I've seen this one. Gotta be quicker than that. They like, bruh, really? Kangaroo. Oh, that was kind of fire.
Yeah, it looks.
Damn, that thing is cute, but it'll also rip your fucking face off. I mean, that is cute, though.
Poor guy got so upset.
Are you giving him cheese? Not the Scooby-Doo sound effects. That's literally how this thing is running. Also, pick it up off the floor and put it on the grass, you asshole.
Well, hi there.
Bah.
Are you good or are you bad?
I knew it.
I'm not sure if this cat is really brave or really dumb.
Both. Yo, some animals really got heart. Like, they will square up against any opponent, no matter how big they are. Now, that cat said, look, this is where I sleep at. This is where I get my food from. This is where my shelter at. Nah, bear, you gotta go. Not today.
This poor pelican suddenly fell asleep.
It does look sad. It looks sick. Oh, I definitely would have thought it was dead. I would have been like, we need to we need to go help it, like right now. I mean, I've never seen a pelican in real life, but that also doesn't seem normal.
They will. Look, he just has to. Yeah.
You idiot. Yeah. What is? Whoa! That would have scared me too.
Hey!
This bear stole your bucket. All right, bears do be comedy sometimes.
Hey!
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Where are you going?
Oh,
This cat was
shit.
chasing a mouse and couldn't figure out where it went.
No way. You have the worst cat of all time, sir. I mean, it has to know it's there. It's like, I'm not gonna kill it because that's the homie. It has to know it's on its neck right now.
Where's the mouse?
What? Bruh.
The mouse by the tail.
I'm trying to. Not good.
How?
No.
This just doesn't seem possible. Your cat might be slow. You might have a special needs cat. I'll just go ahead and say it.
I guess you never know when squirrels might attack.
Another squirrel. Ah! Look, oh, you got Unc on the ground. So if I walk out the house and get attacked by a squirrel, I'm going back inside. I'm calling off that day. I'm not doing shit. Getting attacked by a squirrel, you just can't. Like, you can't go on about your day normally after that. Yo, why does this thing got a mohawk? Is that a sea lion or a seal? Which one's which? I'm pretty sure this is, I'm gonna take a guess and say this is a seal, but a seal with a mohawk, that's kind of cool.
This pigeon was walking around and intentionally put on some bread necklaces.
What? Look, what did I say earlier? Pigeons just be doing weird shit. The dumbest bird of all time. They literally just do shit like that. Walk around. Don't even fly. And just be all... They just stare at you, do the little head thing, and walk around. That's all pigeons do. Like, stop feeding the pigeons.
This llama heard someone make a rude comment.
The fact that he just said this llama heard somebody say a rude comment, you already know what's gonna happen. They're assholes, bruh. I'm trying to tell y'all, llamas know what they be doing.
Ew, he's ugly.
Oh shit.
Damn, did I say something?
You got oh so lucky. That llama must have been having a long day. And it was like, you know what? I could spit in this bitch's face right now, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna let that slide. I'm gonna just walk off. You catch a fish with your hand? Oh! Fuck! Alright, and what is this thing doing? Oh! Oh! Sounds like a special needs kid drowning at the pool. Why? No, okay. That's nasty. What the fuck?
This monkey just realized that he might need some glasses.
Okay.
What's your prescription, bro?
It's just running in circles.
So what do you think he's thinking about?
Life. How you gonna get the fuck up out of there?
I think we found out who the main character is.
The dog? Oh, it's a mouse. Why the fuck did I say dog?
She kept being harassed by her horse, so she decided to finally catch him in the act.
Is it sexual harassment? It is. He tried to get a sniff. Oh god, why is it up? It's not a pet. Yo, rats are fucking disgusting. I don't care what anybody says. Fuck rats. Like the fact you're letting 2 of those run around your house freely, I wouldn't even come over. I wouldn't even care if they're put up because I know that them dirty fucking things are probably crawling all over your counter and just all over your house. Anything that I touch is contaminated with fucking rats.
Say cheese. Cheese.
Oh. Oh! Looked like it hurt. I don't know. What kind of animal is that? It looks like one of those animals that hits you with its fucking head. I mean, you're not gonna punch it. Look at the noggin on that fucking thing. You're gonna break your hand. That whole thing's falling. Ruined it for everybody.
Keeps stealing food from this farmer and always eats it directly in front of the security camera.
Yo. That's fucking funny. He's literally like, yeah, I'm stealing your food. What are you gonna do about it? He is taunting this farmer. This fucking gopher, chipmunk, whatever the fuck it is, it knows what it's doing. I mean, every time. Come on now. Every time it does it, it has to eat it in front of the camera. He wants you to see the disrespect. He's really eating your food in your face, and you still can't catch him. Just look at him. Not a care in the world. That's good.
These otters were spotted chasing a butterfly.
Oh, that's cute as hell, but they're otters. They'll rip your face off, but still, that's cute as hell. Look at the way they're running together, prancing with their little heads bouncing and shit, bruh. Like, how do you not smile at that?
I think this fish is broken.
What the fuck? That fish is retarded. That's what it is. Yo, what? This thing doesn't even look real. It literally has a cartoon character face. Nah,
Sometimes
that thing's
an octopus
dying.
will try and punch a fish just for fun.
Oh, I've seen this. Pop! Yo, if anything is an alien on Earth right now, it is an octopus. Like, no, dead ass. There's legit scientific theories where they came here from a comet, an asteroid or something, landed in the ocean, boom, and that's where they are. It's literally one of the most unique creatures of all time. It's smart. It's able to, like, do camouflage. It can do all kinds of shit with its tentacles. It can open jars, bruh. Yo, the next step in evolution, whenever that may be, watch out for the octopus. Oh, is that like one of those sea?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is a hognose snake, which is a harmless snake that likes to play dead.
Harmless snake. Don't ever use those two words ever again. Even if the snake isn't harmless, I cannot take that chance.
For some reason, this cow was trying to catch its own tail.
A cow acting like a dog. I've seen it all. I've seen it all. What?
I have never seen this type of disrespect before.
Yo, monkeys don't give a fuck either. Yo, just imagine a monkey steals your phone, you get it back, and you just got mad monkey selfies on there now. Damn, he said, I don't want that shit. Get that the fuck out of here. That is disrespectful. You offered this monkey your banana, and they didn't eat it. That would fuck my day up after that.
Okay.
Yo. Where's the animal? It's just an autistic guy jumping on the bed with a guitar. Like, why?
For some reason, this hamster has a knife.
A hamster with a knife? Dude, you better run. You better run. That thing is gonna kill you in your sleep.
Why is this capybara so small?
Damn it, it's cute. Damn it.
This truck that was carrying oranges broke down, so these elephants took advantage.
The guys have got a bit of a problem here.
Eating all your
the
shit.
elephants are coming and helping themselves, taking advantage.
These eagles were trying to build a nest together.
Also, a very scary creature. Like, for real, an eagle could easily swoop down and pick up a small child and fly off with it. Easily. Damn! We can tell who's the man and who's the woman. Hey y'all, I'm friendly. That bear literally said, hey y'all, don't mind me, just keep driving, just smile and wave, boys. Bears are also very scary, but when they do funny shit, it do indeed be funny. I mean, he's literally waving.
Oh my god.
How? What in the hell? Yo, what in the cartoon character was that? My man literally snuck across the screen. That was some Scooby-Doo shit right there. I gotta bring that back. That's too good.
Apertura automática.
No, that's fire. That's fire. This is the kind of shit you should do with a bird pet. A bird pet? I meant a pet as a bird. Sorry. I would literally send my bird, yo, go give me the Doritos. Just your bird flying in there, grabbing the Doritos and coming back. Yo, that's another thing. Before technology, how people even did this, I have no idea. But people used to take like a little fucking note, attach it to a bird, a hawk or something like that, and just tell it where to go and it would fucking know how to get there. This is during like medieval times and shit. Like literally be like, go give this to King Edward right away, and then would actually go and deliver the letter. I just don't see how they pulled it off. How the fuck they domesticated hawks into being the USPS, basically.
Ma che brava, Nisso.
That's just cool. That is also cool.
He's done with asking and has started demanding.
The stance.
This guy found a really round bear.
Damn, bruh. I think we know who ate all the porridge.
Bear, oh my god, the Gina bear.
Yo, that thing is fat. That bear has been around for quite some time. There's no way you're a bear and don't get that big if you ain't eaten.
Chunky.
A big old bear.
A lot more over here on this left side.
This duck loves getting kisses.
Not me. I've actually been attacked by a duck. Do y'all know the parks? I feel like every state has like one of these parks in it where it's just like water and like nature and shit. There's still like swing sets and stuff, but like ducks are just running wild. Like there's like little coin machines where you can get like duck feed and stuff, or you can just bring it bread. But we would usually put the quarters in, get the little duck feed and throw it or whatever. This one duck, and it was a white one just like that, was literally trying to fucking peck me. It was trying to take me out. I threw my food on the ground. It didn't want my food. It wanted my eyes. I mean, he's wagging his tail like a dog. Yo, I don't care if it's a pet. Why are you letting hamsters and rats and gerbils and shit just run around your table? Like, do you not put food down there? That's a peacock. Yo, talk about being beautiful just because. Like, yo, God didn't have to go that hard when he created the peacock. Just so damn majestic for no reason. Every time you see a peacock, you gotta stop and stare.
Is not back.
Now, her breath gotta be hot. She gotta have some hot, stanky ass breath because that guinea pig was gone.
Back.
Have you ever seen a horse that's equipped with turbo? This pigeon was hurt,
Okay.
so they spent months nursing it back to full health. They were finally ready to release it back into the wild.
Oh no. Oh no. I'm calling it now. The pigeon is not gonna fly. It's gonna flap its wings and fall down to the fucking ground. Why? Because it's a pigeon, and pigeons don't fly. You have a pet pigeon now, sir.
I can't tell which bird is more angry.
Oh, he talking shit. Yo, he is talking shit right now. You wanna run the fade.
This poor
Cute
little
bunny.
guy doesn't know how wheels work.
Oh, he is using it the wrong way. I was supposed to go like this. He's okay. I was like, what am I watching here for a second?
This fish somehow found a pacifier.
Nah, what? Somehow find a pacifier. Somebody's badass kid put that in there. But what? That's a first.
This little baby chicken was adopted by this duck.
That's just wholesome. That's just wholesome.
This ostrich kept bothering this giraffe.
Kicked him. I don't think the ostrich is supposed to be there.
What he gets.
This monkey was really excited to see her.
Good morning, Nick.
What's up, Nick?
Yeah, good morning.
This poor little guy couldn't hold on.
He's just having fun. Just animals having fun in the wild. Love to see it. Oh, he dizzy now. Oh, y'all gonna take that? You gotta do the horse thing back. Yo, you let this thing spit in your face twice. He went full Triple H on you. And horses got their own little thing too. Where they're I can't make horse noises. Y'all know what I'm talking about. There's one. Two. Oh, I've seen this one. The thunder scares the squirrel and it literally has its hand over its heart like it's having a heart attack. Animals doing human shit is always gonna hit, I can't lie. He legit looks scared, like, oh damn. I'm pretty sure animals can have a heart attack. Well, anything with a heart could have a heart attack, I'm sure. What? Why does it walk? Why does your bird walk like a Nazi soldier? What's going on?
This penguin wasn't having a very good day after falling in some mud.
What? That's a penguin? Nah, that thing just didn't fall in mud. That thing looks beat the fuck up, rejected, and neglected. This penguin looks like the odd penguin out. I mean, just, there's no way that that's just mud. He looks like Ebenezer Scrooge. Like it's hunched back, like that walk. That was kind of human-like. Hold up. Like, watch it walk. Not right. Oh, you really got one. Oh, you really got a parrot. I know a parrot. I may not know about the other ones that can talk, but I know a parrot when I see one.
This cat somehow managed to scare away a bear.
Another one? Yo, are bears just big old bitches? Let me find out. Do I just gotta hiss at it? Like, is that it?
They couldn't figure out why their car wasn't starting.
What animal is it? A fucking raccoon underneath the hood. Yeah, raccoons are also one of those animals where, like, I don't want to have to do it to you, but if I can't release you safely or get you out of there, I might have to do it to you. I can't risk it.
They couldn't figure out why their car wasn't starting.
And white girls are just always laughing and giggling. They always think some shit is funny. He was probably more pissed off that y'all were laughing at him. Like, bitch, stop laughing. Get away from me.
Just like that, Cash.
Oh, he about to drive the V? Is he in the whip?
Nah, my M4
Oh, he got the top down and everything, bro. He actually might fuck around and drive off. Watch.
just got jacked.
This one's fire. Yeah. Legendary animal video.
Oh, I'm trying to go to sleep.
Wait a minute, there's a red and black and white? Whoa, this one looks cool. I don't know what kind of bird this is, but it looks like it's got on a fucking college jersey right now.
Or take a nap and he's...
That is a college football mascot right there. Come on.
Or take a nap and he's just...
It seems like this bird is trying to be as annoying as possible.
Is that a cockatoo? Let me know what this is down in the comments. If I mispronounce or misname any of these animals, please correct your boy down below.
So why is he sitting like this?
He waiting for one of y'all to pull up and try it, and he gonna do the same thing he did to those girls.
This lion was chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened.
What? Oh, he's outnumbered.
Someone found a bird that wants to take over the world.
He's literally doing the Goku spirit bomb. Please, birds of this earth, give me your energy, I beg of you. Hans is gonna turn into a fucking Pokemon.
No.
Yo, he's literally up there like... He's hitting the fucking Randy Orton pose.
These two fish really don't like each other.
Classic. Another banger. Alright, so one fish is blowing the sand out that way, and the other fish is sending it right back to him on some petty shit.
These two fish really don't like each other.
Look. Petty.
What the heck is going on here?
Bro.
Yo, what? I did not know raccoons could do that. That's actually funny as fuck.
What?
I told you, you have to stop coming around. Stop bringing your mates. I can see he's there. We have no food.
The fisherman caught a fish and then tried to release it, but it wouldn't swim back down. This is because there was air in the gas bladder of the fish. The fisherman helped the fish burp to release the air.
What?
Burp it out.
No way! I just watched a fish burp for the first time in my life. Like, I didn't even know that that was possible. We got a few first times today.
Now let's see.
Bruh, that's wild.
Oh, look at that. Away he goes.
Dumb deer. Whole family of dumb deers.
Chase me.
Damn it, it's cute also. Fuck. I don't want to give in, but oh, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can't help it.
Let's go.
I mean, come on.
These raccoons were caught in the act.
Do the thing. Do the little Scooby-Doo thing. Yeah. Bro, what? My man's is literally, he hit the mannequin challenge on their ass. No way. Are you hypnotizing a frog? Nah, this gotta be torture. This gotta be animal cruelty, amphibian cruelty. Or he just doesn't give a fuck at all. It doesn't affect him. Either way, this just seems mean. Oh, I see what happens. Oh, I thought it was that one video where you fucking bite. Y'all have seen that. I thought it was that one video. That other video, y'all know what video I'm talking about. We've all seen it, where the alligator actually gets the turtle in its mouth. It's having a hard time, so it just moves it around a little bit, and then see the guts come. Oh, iconic video, but ugh.
That is the end of this video, or I hope you enjoyed.
What? An alligator going down a fucking water slide? And why did it look like it was actually having fun? Look, that's a smile.
That is the end of this video, or I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
All right, y'all, you heard the man. That is all we got today. Comment llama down below to let me know you made it to the end of the video. Make sure you go subscribe to the second channel and the gaming channel. The links are down in the description. And also go join the Patreon if you want to watch movies and TV shows with your boy. That's it. I'm Winn the G. I'm out, y'all. Peace.